Mitel Phone Manager enables you to control your phone from your computer screen, whether that phone is a physical device on your desktop or a soft phone installed on your laptop. It can be used with Mitel Phone Manager Mobile to simplify calling, whether you are at your desk or away from the office on your smartphone. The latest release of Phone Manager brings the concept of presence profiles, which enables you to route your call to the right destination, dependent upon your availability. So if you select your in a meeting status, you can route your calls to a colleague or to your voicemail. If you are away from your desk, route your calls to your smartphone. The chat button enables you to send a text message to a colleague, and the toolbar can give access to additional functions and features, including Mitel Campaign Manager to automate your outbound calls, dependent upon your allocated license. The final icon at the top of the application enables you to access the settings and help menus, as well as the online user guide. On the main part of the screen, there are two main tabs: Contacts and Call History. Contacts displays internal and external contacts. Internal users can display a picture or graphic associated with their name. A green or red icon tells you at a glance whether they are free or busy, and if busy, it will show the number or extension they are talking to. If users have a Do Not Disturb message invoked, it will tell you what their status is. To call a personal contact, simply type the name into the search box, and the application will show a list of matches. To dial, click on the name, and you are connected. At that point, the call banner or toaster pops up and displays the name and number being dialed. Once the call is answered, the toaster will populate with the option to hold, transfer, mute, or clear the call. When receiving an inbound call, the toaster will pop up and show you the calling party or number that is calling you prior to you answering the call. If the calling party identity is recognized, it will be displayed. If not, you will get a prompt that enables you to add this number to your contacts for future use. The Call History tab will show calls you have made, received, or missed. Click the name to redial. If you have a Zarios call recorder installed, then a single click will enable you to play that call back. You can quickly dial a number from another application, for example, a website or email. To do this, simply highlight the number you want to call and click the Dial button. Phone Manager integrates to Microsoft Outlook as a standard feature, so dialing from your Outlook contacts will pop the relevant details onto your screen. If a customer calls, their details will appear as the call is answered. Phone Manager can also integrate to 20 of the most commonly used CRM applications, including Microsoft Dynamics and Salesforce.com. Other CRM packages can be telephony-enabled with the implementation of a CRM-specific interface. Mitel Phone Manager greatly simplifies your telephony activity, to such an extent that you'll wonder how you got by without it.